Well, guys, it's cold. IowaGearHeadz.
What you doing?
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Here's your little buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Part 2 of a bad idea. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I have my finger over the mic. That's a big dip. This is my buddy, the heater. Oh, it's chilly. Oh, it's real chilly. It's real chilly. Oh, God. Yeah, he needs washer fluid. That's the sun. This is a bad idea. Real bad idea. Really bad idea. Don't try this at home. Do not try this at home. I'm cold. My butt cold. Alright. We good? We aight? We aight. Oh!
Beto, 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 Beto. I showed everybody garage code. I'm just kidding. Hello? Good morning, Grandpa. Fucking colder than shit in here. Don't look at this guy. This is. It's still kind of wet.
So what? A little wet?
It's still kind of wet, yeah. I mean, it don't look horrible. It don't look great, but it don't look horrible. Nick's gonna bring the heater in.
I'm doing what?
I'm just gonna set you guys up here, give you an aerial view. There we go. Start turning the lights on. Look at that, let there be light. Bro, feel it though.
I'm okay with that. Don't leave it like that. I'm okay with that. Not even gonna lie.
Okay.
Hey,
What?
when they want to look under my hood, I'd be like, as long as you like the Oreo.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Alright, enjoy paint drying. Woo. We have injectors in our roof.
You have injectors?
Instead of pumping gas, we pump flames.
%5 tint on the window. So just to clarify here before we get somebody commenting on it, the reason I'm not doing the nose of the hood is because there's still excess paint there from when we sanded it. So that entire piece has to get re-sanded down, and then we'll blend it back in with the rest of the hood when it's time. Before somebody says it, because I know somebody's gonna be like, well, you didn't go all the way down on the hood. Oh, really? Really?
See? Educational purposes only. See, even for the signature. That's when you know it's professional.
into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe